it's a fine moment. We want now to go through these mathematics questions as we prepare for our national exams. Remember, when you are very fit and you are reasoning very well, this is just something you can score everything. The work of the examiner is to ensure you fail or you pass. But the good thing with the examiners, they will give you questions that are good and questions that are easy, that you can reason, that you can read the question and understand very well, but they are very tricky. When the deal is so good, think twice. So let us go through this. The question says here, a soda depot had 1,502 bottles of soda, and the bottles of soda were packed in crates. Each crate holds 24 bottles. How many full crates were obtained? Now, this is how we are supposed to reason. If total number of bottles are 1,502, and they say each crate carries 24 bottles. Now, this is how we make it as a cross multiplication. 24 bottles is equals to 1 crate. What about 1,502 bottles? So we will have to write 1,502 out of 24 because they are on the same side. But since this is the question, this is the statement we start with. And now we multiply, we divide it in this way. We have to write 24 goes into 1,502 how many times? And then for us to avoid, we can use addition to multiply because addition is something very easy that everybody understands easily. And therefore, we have added 24 plus 24 to get 48. And then 48 plus 24, 72, plus 24, 96, plus 24, 120, plus 24, 144, plus 24, 168. We stopped there because 24 cannot go into 15. And therefore we make it a little bit 150. And then we ask ourselves, how many times does 24 go into 150? And then we found that 144 is close to 150. Therefore we used 144. How many times? Now we count the number of 24 up to 144. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have written 6. 6 multiplied by 24, we get 144. Don't multiply, it's already here. When we subtracted, we find out that we cannot take 4 from 0. Therefore, we borrowed 1 to make it 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. It remained 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. And then 24 cannot go into 6. So we dropped 2 to make it 62. And then we come again to our reasoning here. And then we say 24 plus 24 is 48. Plus 24 is 72. When we come up to 72, we realize that 72 is more than 62. So the number that is a bit closer to 62 is 48. And therefore, we wrote 2 because 24 plus 24 is 48. Therefore, 2, we wrote 2. Then 2 times 24 is 48, which is here. Then we are now to proceed. Now, we cannot take 2 from 8, 8 from 2. Therefore, we will borrow 1 from 12, from 6 to become 12. As you know, you cannot carry your father or your mother. So, someone to carry your father or your mother should be at least bigger. So, that is the same idea we should reason here. Now, we must borrow 1 to make it 12. 12 minus 8 makes 4. Here it remains 5. Minus 1 makes 1. Therefore, our answer will be 62 remainder 14. That's our answer. So our answer is 62 remainder 14. That is our answer. And then we go to the next question. The next question says, what is the LCM of 16, 24, and that 2? 16, 24, and that 2. That is what they want us to find. The LCM of 16, 24, and that 2. Now, what we are supposed to do here, is to start working out. As you understand, we have several ways of getting working out LCM. The LCM, we have this method. We have the 16, then we have 24, then we have that 2. I will teach you 2 methods, but I will start with this one first. Now we look for the smallest number that can divide in both 16, 24, and that 2. And therefore we use 2. 2 goes here how many times? It goes into 16, 8. Into 24, 12. Into that 2, 16. We use 2 again. It goes here 4, here 6, here 8. We use 2 again. 2 goes here. 2 goes here. 2, 3, and then it goes here 4. Again we are using just 2. 2 goes here 1. We drop 3 because it cannot divide into 3. We drop it as it is. It goes into 4 many times? 2. And then we use 2 again. We are done with this. We just drop 1. This one cannot divide. We drop it there. Then here 1. Now we are done with the 2. So we go to 3. 3 goes here. It can. So it goes there 1, 1. Then after that we are done. And then we will have to take 2. Multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. You need to understand how many 2's are there. We have several 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are remaining with 1. Then we have 1, 3. So we multiply by 3 as well. And then 2 times 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by these 2 is 16. 16 multiplied by these 2 is that 2. That 2 multiplied by these 3. I told you there is no way of stressing also. If something is more than what you can chew, then you need to look for some possible ways on how to chew it. You can use a knife to cut the meat or the apple into small pieces and then you chew it. So we want to use that method here. So what we do, we will add that 2 3 times. So simple. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 3, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. And therefore, the answer is 96. Therefore, the LCM will be 96. The LCM will be 96. We want to prove using the other method. Let me not wrap this one. The other method, we are just going to write here 16. And then we write here 24. Then we write here 32. And then we say the answer is 16 plus 16 is that 2. 24 plus 24 is that 8. Sorry, it's 48, not that 8. And that 2 plus that 2 is 64. After we get that, now we also take that 2 plus 16. We will get 48. 48 plus 24. We will get 12 and 1. 4, 5, 12 and 1. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. So it is 72. And then 64 plus that 2. The answer will be 96. Since this one is a bit bigger, let us work with these ones first, those that are smaller. And then we take 48 again. 48 plus that 2. Now 48 plus that 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. So we got 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And therefore, the answer here is 80.